The story of a wolf, fox, and a smart crow. Once upon a time, a wolf and a fox were living in a jungle. They were walking together through the forest. The wolf was very proud of his strength and cunningness. He boasted to the fox about how he could catch any prey in the forest. The fox listened patiently but was annoyed by the wolf's arrogance. The fox decided to teach the wolf a lesson. He led him to a tree where a wise old crow lived. The fox told the wolf that the crow was even smarter than he was, and challenged the wolf to a contest of wits. The crow agreed to the challenge, and the wolf proposed a competition to see who could catch the most prey in one day. The next day, the wolf set out into the forest, determined to catch as much prey as possible. However, despite his strength and speed, he couldn't catch anything. Meanwhile, the crow had flown to the wolf's den and stolen all of his prey. When the wolf returned to his den, he found nothing but an empty space, and felt embarrassed and humiliated. He went back to the fox, and admitted that he had been outsmarted. From that day on, the wolf learned to respect the other animals in the forest, and never boasted again. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more stories.